Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to run an ad campaign on Facebook that direct to WhatsApp. It could be a carousel or single image or single video. I will show you the exact process that you need to follow in order to set up such an ad campaign. Okay, so first of all, you log into your Facebook account. So you log into your Facebook, you go to facebook.com, you log in. After you log in, you come on the left hand corner, then you will see ad manager. Then you will click open the ad manager. Okay, so when you log into the ad manager, it's definitely going in the personal ad account. So you look for the business manager. If you have a business manager that you want to use that ad account in that business manager, you look for it. So for example, I have so many business managers and I want to use this ad account. Then I'm going to run an advert with I already have several ad campaigns running and I want to run another one. So I have previously done videos on how to run conversion ad campaign, how to run traffic, how to run lead ads campaign. You can check them in the description of this video, and then you can also check them in the link above. I've posted some of them. Okay, so let's see, this is how to go about it. So you click here, then you choose the objective you want. So we have awareness. That is if you want to create awareness for people to know about your business. We have traffic. That is if you want to drive traffic to your site. Engagement. That is if you want to do WhatsApp or Messenger or Instagram direct ad campaign. It's also good for video views, post engagement, and conversions are not really good with that objective. But though you can still do one. But if you want to do a typical conversion ad campaign, you come to the sales objective. Then we also have lead. Lead is the one that you want people to fill an instant form and all that. Then we also have app promotion. That is if you are promoting an app. So this one, I want people to WhatsApp us. So we are choosing engagement. So from engagement, you choose the manual engagement campaign setup. Then we come in here. So we can name it. So we can make it WhatsApp ads campaign 1. Then we come down, we go to next. In fact, before you come down to the next option, if you want to choose campaign budget optimization, you will turn this one on. And campaign budget optimization is used if you want to use many ad sets and you want all the ad sets to use the same budget. So let's say you want to have 2 or 3 ad sets where they will use the same budget for you to know which of the ad set is doing well, so that the system can spend more money on that. You can put it on. But for this ad campaign, I want to use one ad set. That's why I'm not putting the campaign budget optimization on. So you click next. So you come down to the second option and choose where you want the conversion location. The conversion location is where you want the action to take place. You want people to send you a message. If you choose messaging app, they will send you a message. If you choose on your ad, they can comment, like, and share the advert. If you choose website, they can go to whatever website. You will be sending traffic to that site. If you choose app, you will be promoting an app. And if you choose Facebook page, you will be getting people to follow you. So I want it to be on WhatsApp. So you choose WhatsApp. You click to a different page. Okay, so we scroll down. So you select the page. If you select the page and you are not connected to WhatsApp and you will want to connect to WhatsApp, this is how you do it. So you will click on connect, for example, send the number to the person, or to your WhatsApp business, send the number to the WhatsApp business. But if you are not using WhatsApp business, you have to first of all install WhatsApp business. Then after that, you put a code, then connect it before you continue. So if that connection is done, like you will see something like what you're seeing here. So you will come down here, choose your budget. So for example, I'm beginning, so I don't want to spend so much. I'm doing $5 a day. Here, choose maximum number of conversions. Then you put a start and an end date. So the end date is 17th of this month. Then you choose the audience. So I've chosen my audience. Then you scroll down, you click next. In fact, the audience. So if you haven't set an audience before, this is how to do it. So when you come, I already have an audience. So if you don't have, you just need to click. It should be on create new audience. So you choose your location, for example. So if I want to choose Accra, Ghana, then from there, you choose the locations that you want, scroll down, select the interest relating to what you're doing. So for example, I need people who are looking for digital marketers. So I'll put something like internet marketing, something like small business owners, small business owners, advertising. So people who are looking for digital activities, digital marketers, internet marketers, advertising, and then all that, small business owners and all that, I'll be able to target them because they already follow pages that Facebook know them and they will show it to them. They will show this advert to them. So after that, I just have to come and save this audience. But however, I'm not going to save it because I already have an audience that is saved. I just want to show you how it is done. So when you do that, you also select the age. The age for most of the locations, it is advisable to start from 25 and above. Okay, 25 and above. Because if you start around 18, most of the 18-year-old people, unless it is something exclusively for them, they are not going to buy. You are going to waste money on them and they will not buy. Check the gender too. If you're doing something that is strictly for females, choose females. If it is strictly for males, choose males. If not, you'll be wasting a lot of money on the wrong audience. Okay, so after all that is done, so you save the audience. I already have a saved audience, so I'm using that saved audience. Then you come back and click on continue. So you get to the last part. So I'm at the last part. So at the ad level, so this is the campaign, this is the ad set, and this is the ad level. So at the ad level, you can either use an existing post or create a new ad. If you want to use an existing post, you click on the ad setup drop down arrow, click on use existing post. Then you select an existing post. So for example, if I want to select this, then I post it. However, I'm not interested in selecting an existing post. So I'm going to choose create ad. So when I choose click ad, create ad, there is an option to choose either single image or carousel, single image or single video or carousel. And I want to choose a carousel. Sorry, I want to choose single image or video, but I'll show you how to also do if it's a carousel. If it is a carousel, for example, you need to click on carousel, and carousel is the one that you will have many pictures or videos displayed side by side. So for example, you can have something like this, and you have another thing like this. As you can see, we're having two pictures like that. Then we can add a primary text here. I'm taking a primary text from my previous advert. This is just a demonstration, please. They don't really tally much. All of them don't tally, but this is just a demonstration. But the primary text, or what is here, should be a detailed description of what the flyers or the videos are talking about. If you want to add a video, just need to click on add and then click on add video, click on upload. Then you upload the video you want to add. So for example, let's say I want to add this video. Okay. It's like the video wasn't added successfully. It's delaying a bit some time, but just a lot of people trying to choose this. I'll change another video. So let me see. Okay, let me use something like this one. Let's see. So after you add the last video, or you add the last image, in this one I just want to use 2 images and 1 video. So when you are okay with the media, the videos or the pictures you have chosen, then you can add your headline. So the headline normally is the one that will appear here. So it just appears beside where the WhatsApp button is. So you can, for example, this one, I want to put a phone number. So for example, I want them to call. So for example, I'll just use a sample number, put the number there. I want them to call. So they are saying that when you use Messenger as a destination for your ad, each of the carousels should have a headline. So I'll click on apply to all. So with the apply to all, it's going to now apply to each of them. So as you can see, the number is showing there. If I have anything to add, just like prices, I can go ahead to do that. So for example, let's say I want to put a price there, it's 500 Ghana cedis. Then I also apply them. That is in case you want to apply the same price to all of them. If not, you have to change, you have to edit them one by one. So for example, I can edit this. I can come here and then edit this one and all that. Yeah, so that is it. So as you can see, the primary text is there, the images are there, the headline and the descriptions are there. So at the end of the day, everything fits very well. So this is exactly what you need to do. So when you are done, you publish. When you publish, the advert will be in review, and then it will, if it is approved, it will run. Yeah, so this is exactly how it is to set up a WhatsApp message advert in Facebook. That is an advert on Facebook that directs to WhatsApp. If you have any problem, leave your comments in the comment section. If you need more help to be able to do it well, or if you want us to run your ad campaign for you, we can do that. We are actually available for that. If you also have advertising restrictions, we can help you get your problems resolved. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video for more other information videos. You can follow the WhatsApp link to WhatsApp us. You can also follow our website link to see more offers we have on our website. We also do conversion ads. If you also want us to set conversion ads, lead generation ad, or any other type of ad, let us know. Thank you again, and bye-bye.